Do these do anything, or are they just like annoyingly sliding on my face? I have no clue. These ones look sparkly. So, we're adding in the morning, making breakfast. And by that, I mean one singular hard-boiled egg. I went to the farmer's market yesterday and I forgot eggs. I honestly feel like I live at the grocery store. I think last week I went to the grocery store every single day. Like, I don't know, is that an issue? Is that a problem? Do other people do that? It's like, I find grocery shopping is like a hobby, but I also like to cook. Self-proclaimed chef. Something. Might go get a bagel. I butchered it, but I think I need a fork now though. Put cocoa powder. We're going to get breakfast. At the grocery store. We gotta pick up a few things for Sunday dinner. And honestly, if I'm being honest, I want cookies. I want a sweet treat and I want to bake. It's really rainy and like dreary out and I want to bake. I want to make fun things. I also made this banana date milk coffee situation and I want to find a jacket though because I kind of left the house and it's kind of cold. In my chip bag. A bird. Covered in cat hair. But what's new? We're not really gonna match anymore, but I'm also kind of like grocery shopping hungry, so that's never good. Had to break out the apron. I don't want to get any turmeric on me. We're making ginger and turmeric shots. Because wellness. Version switches, it works. We gotta get back on it. So That was wonderful.